the largest stablecoin in the world is now coming out with a gold-backed stablecoin. You're gonna wanna hear this. First, let's talk about some freaking bullish news here. If you were watching this show before the halving, you will know that I was mentioning it over and over again that we would not just spike up the second the halving would happen. All right, that just doesn't happen. That's never happened. Okay, so what usually does happen is we usually spend a couple months crabbing along like we have been, and then we go to all-time highs afterwards and have a parabolic blow off top eventually. So what's new here? Well, first off, we've been in it's been 2 months since the halving. So this is completely normal, but you wouldn't think it's normal if you look at all of the negative comments on Twitter or YouTube or whatever saying, oh my gosh, this could be a bear market. Oh no, we're going to $40,000 and stuff. I'm like, oh my goodness, guys, have these people a memory of a goldfish? Like, what the frick, guys? Is this? Don't listen to people like this. Listen to people that have been through this space over and over again, like us. We've been here for a very long time, multiple cycles, okay? So we understand what is going on. We understand where we are heading in this space. So I want to show you this graph really quickly from Rect Capital. All right, he says we are 2 months after the Bitcoin halving. Current price action is comparable to previous 60-day post-halving periods. Now check this chart out. I'm showing it right now. So the blue line is the halving. So this is the 2016 halving, 2020 halving, and the 2024 halving. As you can see, we kind of crabbed along after every halving. This time is no different, but people are going crazy here, which is actually very good, because what do you hear from the best traders in the world? Buy when there's in the streets. I don't know if I'm gonna get, shadow banned for that, blood in the streets, So anyways, that's why I'm incredibly bullish here. That is why I think we're gonna hit all-time highs before most people think we're gonna hit all-time highs. Actually, it's gonna be a very lonely bull market, in my opinion, because we are going to skyrocket without a lot of people, because a lot of people right now are just saving their dry powder for us to go way lower. I think these guys are going to get front run by whales that understand exactly what they're trying to do. Moving on, lastly, we have Tether. So the world's largest stablecoin launches new synthetic dollar backed by gold. Now, this is right after the SEC's head of crypto assets enforcement division resigns. So does this have any correlation? I don't know. You tell me what you think below. But here's a little bit about this thing. Okay, stablecoin issuer Tether has officially unveiled Alloy, so that's what it's going to be called, a new synthetic dollar backed by gold. So this asset was developed by Moon Gold. Okay, so this asset, it's going to be called USDT. This will function to track the value of a single dollar. Additionally, USDT is to be over collateralized by Tether gold and supported by physical gold reserves. Where are these gold reserves going to be held? Switzerland. So these synthetic dollars will be able to be created using Tether gold as collateral. So what I see happening right now is that Tether is trying to remove regulatory risk outside of the United States. So kind of just keeping away from the US dollar and getting into a global money, which is gold. So that is actually really smart, because first off, it does have 3 times the market cap. USDT has 3 times the market cap of any other stablecoin, especially USDC. Because it is 3 times the size of USDC, it's got a big target on its back, and a lot of people are going to want it to fail. So I think this is going to be really interesting. Let me know what you think with your comments down below. If you want to see what stable coins we use and how much we have in stable coins and what we've been buying lately, check out learningcrypto.com, and also check me out at Twitter at SirCryptoTips. That's all I have. Please like and subscribe. I will talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.